his first taste of anything solid, even though it's kind of goop.
What do you think of that? I tasted it and it tasted pretty lousy, personally.
He's interested in the spoon.
There's that silver box again.
You want some more?
No, I'm okay.
It's like, no, last time I opened my mouth, you put that in it. Okay. Oh. Pediatrician warned us that it might not stay in the mouth. Mommy hasn't refined her technique yet. Well, he likes the spoon.
That's good.
Let him learn to suck on the spoon. He's tripping it everywhere.
Chewing on the spoon, too.
I don't know if any of it's made it in.
I don't know. There's been some licking.
You want to try that again? It's like in and then out. Got it in his nose.
Okay.
Let's have fun, Benji.
Bye.